Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable the print screen shortcut for the snipping tool on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best match should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left side, you want to select accessibility. And then on the right side underneath interaction, you want to select keyboard. Scroll down. Where it says use the print screen button to open snipping tool. Go ahead and toggle that to the on position if you want to turn that on. And again, if you use the print screen button, it should activate that. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And once you open it up, it should launch the snipping utility. Like I said, pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.